How to change story settings on Instagram from close friends to everyone. So hi everyone, you have to go here to your Instagram application and create a post here. So here you have to create a story and tap on close friends here, and as you can see, I've already set it to close friends. So if you want to change your story settings, so on the bottom part you'll see three dots there, tap on more, and here you'll see story settings, and here you will see the story settings, and basically your viewing, how, who are your close friends there, where you want to hide your story from, and then so on and so forth. And then so on and so forth. Now here there is no, you will not see an option here from close friend to everyone here, right? So what you want to do to be able to post your or to share your story to public, all you have to do is to go back and post it again, post the same content as your story here, and then make sure to set it on public or to everyone here. And as you can see, you have two different stories here. You will see close friends here, and you will see public here. Now since you've already posted on your public, then tap on delete here. And then that is the only way you can change your story settings on Instagram from close friends to everyone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.